Daniel has arrived to come and pick me up, and we're heading to Airport Link Hotel. This is our vehicle. I love Land Cruisers. Oh, I forgot you're on the other side because I am not smart. Room tour of the Airport Link Hotel. We have the wonderful air conditioner, giant bed with mosquito nets, turning, closet, provided water, mirror. Here we go. And the bathroom does have hot water, bidet. They provide some slippers. Sink, very big. Okay, I got my sausage, I got my cheese omelet, I got my tomato, coffee, water, African tea. This is Green Palace Hotel, you said?
Motel.
Motel, Green Palace Motel for lunch. Oh, it smells delicious. Oh, look at that.
Curry's always good. Always a good way to go.
Oh, curry's number one. Always good. Look at that. Yum. You have salad. Woo, chips and salad. Perfect. What do I have under the cover here, which I don't think I'm going to be able to enjoy. This is like for 7 people. Wow. I'm going to save this for later. Did you get enough? Do you think you're going to have enough to eat? That looks delish. Ooh.
Thank you very much.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, that looks delish. Big sandwich. Love. Oh, wow. Home Bliss.
Hello, you're most welcome to Bliss Hotel. My name is Davis, a receptionist here. I'm so happy and I'm glad to see you.
So happy to be here. Thank you, Davis.
You're most welcome.
Let's find cactus number 1. Look at this landscaping. Do a little room tour. Cactus number 2. Nice seating area outside. Wow. Just put my stuff down. Look at the size of this room. This is called Home Bliss. Home Bliss. And I was just looking at this. Love this pillow. But they have the mosquito nets, and there are some mosquitoes because we are up in the mountains. Lamp, side table, fan. There is no air conditioning. Look at these TV, internet. They have cable. Oh, here's my kitchen. Let's see what's on the menu. Let's check out the bathroom. Oh, did I show you the mini fridge? Mini fridge, kettle, tea, closet, extra blanket just in case you're cold, which is not going to be today. That shower. They provide slippers, everything you need. Sink. Okay, and look, they have shampoo, soap, standard Western toilet. I would definitely rate Home Bliss as much better than Airport Link Hotel. Welcome to Amazing Places with Amy. We're here today in my kitchen. Thank you so much. I got a Tusker Light and a Coca-Cola Classic. Tusker Light. Look at, oh, look at how gorgeous.
This is the chicken breast.
Beautiful. That is gorgeous. Ooh, plantain. Okay. How does it look? Give me your opinion. It really does. Woo! I have never seen bananas. I guess they're boiled or maybe baked. Those look like fish.
Yep. Yeah.
Wow. Actually, it looks phenomenal. And that's probably as fresh as it can get.
Yeah.
It's pizza night. So Lorraine, Robert, Emma, and latte. Got their pizza.
So even horses get a holiday.
I'm doing a little, okay. Everybody's got their, it's pizza night, Friday night.
Yum, yum,
Is
yum.
Friday night? It is Friday night. Okay, buffet breakfast. We have some water, lime, cucumber. This is okay mango, watermelon, banana, fruit, tomato, vegetable, plantain, or hash brown, beans, sausage. Yum! Breakfast of champions. Okay, they got a hot spring. Is right around the corner. I'll show you. We stopped for lunch at the Hot Springs Cafe and Lounge, and it is gorgeous at this restaurant. And this is the Hot Springs, and the staff was telling us that it is said to have some medicinal properties, so people soak in the hot springs to feel better.
The brewery that I kind of got my start at is Nevada's oldest and largest brewery called Great Basin Brewing Company.
Here's the bar. The group Entebbe. It's the front entrance. Let me take you on a quick room tour. I'm in room Entebbe. It's very messy. Okay, look at the size of this place. So we'll start over here. The double and it's bigger than a single, pretty good size. They do provide 2 bottles of drinking water every day. They have very cool decorations, mosquito nets that cover, the mosquito nets cover the bedroom section. And then they have the 2 chairs, plenty of outlets, table, safe, anything you want to put in the safe. And they do, look at this, they do even provide these fantastic robes. Look at that. If you're interested in wearing a robe, this is the bathroom. Light and hot water switch are outside. And again, this is huge. Check it out. Okay. They provide a hair dryer, some various sprays, a carafe full of water for brushing your teeth. They said not to brush your teeth with the water. And then this huge, they provide slippers, huge shower space. So this is just phenomenal. I do not know the price, as this was included as part of my tour package, but I will take a look and see what, I'll just look online and see what it says. But look at my view. Pretty dang nice. Lots of stairs, because we're on the side of a mountain. Here he comes. Hi. That's the parking lot up at the top of the hill, so you got to do that walk. So I got to be very prepared when you leave your room to come down to the main house. Make sure you have everything, otherwise you have to walk. And who wants to walk? Lake Mulehe Gorilla Lodge. They have a few arts and crafts type of thing. They offer massage. Washrooms right at the entrance. Reception. And this is the lobby. Lobby. And then we go down. And this is the coffee station, the bar. Over here they have part of the breakfast items. We have our dining room. Awesome art. Water, you just help yourself to bottled water. Silverback. Okay, the gang's all here. This is the outside seating area, and you can see the view and beautiful artwork. Look at this view. Wow. Now this, and there's the fire pit. And I think they have more of the rooms down there. And they offer canoeing as one of the activities if you wanted to do canoeing. Hey, here's my meal tonight after guerrilla trekking. I got the soup, I got the beef, I got the vegetable, rice and potato, and Nile special. We have arrived at Kigarama Wilderness Lodge, Mburo National Park. I'll give you a little tour. Got a couple of goats trying to get their dinner. What are you guys doing? You're too silly. You want those leaves? Welcome to Amazing Places with Amy. I'm here with Adern, who is the manager of the lodge. He's been kind enough to offer to give us a little tour. Thank you so much. Appreciate you.
Pleasure.
Let's go.
Okay, why not? Hi everyone, my name is Adon. I'm with Amy and I'm so happy, pleased that she has hoped to put our lodge on the map. We are new 1 year and 4 months, still growing, eco-friendly. So if you ever have a plan to visit Uganda and into an eco-friendly lodge, this is the place. Let me show you.
Great.
When you come, this is our lovely reception.
Whoa, reception.
Simple. Yes, that.
That is just, oh, and I love all the decorations, really.
Thank you. We are rustic.
Yes, rustic.
Yeah, we try to be simple, respecting the conservation of the environment. This is our restaurant with a simple bar. So,
All right, so people can get drinks.
yeah, people can get some drinks. We have the most amazing views with where you sit for your meals and have the amazing infinity view. When you sit here, you'll be watching the national park right there.
The national park right there. And that's Mburo National Park.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, we're checking out the pool, and then you have the chairs with the towels are provided.
Having very good security.
Yes.
Sometimes our guests can leave their doors open.
Okay. Here it is.
So this is your single room.
Yes.
The one you can get at our lodge with drinking water in the room. Friendly. We try so much not to use plastics here.
Yeah.
So we put your water in a steel bottle with our label, like you said, the Uganda Cultural Lodges.
Yep.
Yeah, and we have a bathroom.
Yes, I looked at how large this bathroom is. It's just spotless. Hot water. And one thing I was very interested in if you would explain about the solar system and the electricity system setup.
Yes, because we never want to inconvenience our guests. We happen to.
Okay.
We never want to inconvenience our guests who come to stay here with us. We make sure there is a solar system and hydroelectricity system. They all support light in the room and they all support hot water shower. I mean, if this is off, this one can support you. So here, hot water shower is guaranteed.
Guaranteed.
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful.
And I think we are the only safari lodge in this area with an air dryer.
With a hairdryer too, I noticed that. Yeah.
So,
It's a nice feature.
and while you're in the room, you can always get this amazing view
More
for the Lake Mburo National Park.
National Park right there. Thank you so much, Adorn. Wonderful for your time. Very much appreciate it. Thanks again.
Yeah, thank you so much, Amy, for having us on your channel, and we hope it brings some people, you know.
I do too. I do too. As Adorn said, please visit this lodge. It is absolutely stunning. Kigarama.
Wilderness Lodge, yes.
Kigarama.
You said it right.
I said it right. Okay. Kigarama Wilderness Lodge. Come on down.
Yeah.
And you were mentioning also that the lodge accepts all credit card,
Yes, credit cards, we take them, and
dollars,
US
US dollars,
US dollars.
and Ugandan shillings.
Yes,
So there's different options of payment.
exactly.
Okay.
Yep.
Great. Thanks again.
Was nice meeting you
Bye.
all. Can't wait to see one of you.
Exactly.
sometime.
Exactly. Ask for Adorn.
Yeah.
Ask for him. French onion soup with homemade focaccia bread. Let's take a taste. Pork, vegetables, and rice. This is called a mango pie. Right on Lake Victoria. This is fancy. Wow. This. The beach. Lake Victoria. There's really no beach per se. Maybe a little beach over here. And we have the Hawaiian pizza. Whoa. Ooh, look at that. Hey. Oh, now this looks fantastic. Wow. That looks great. Look at that.
The chicken.
Okay, I have my chicken burrito. Let's give it a taste.
Too.
On the shores of Lake Victoria. Chicken burrito. Look at that.
Ooh, that's good.
Mm-hmm.